I'm going to show you how to use a streak freeze or get a streak freeze in Duolingo. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So you can purchase a streak freeze in the Duolingo shop, and in order to access it, just look at the top where you can see the gems button over here. Just go ahead and tap here. Scroll down till you find the option of streak freeze. So it says that with streak freeze you would be able to protect your streak for up to 2 days. So you can either choose to buy the 1 day or the 2 day one. It's completely your choice. And once you purchase it, tap on buy for 200. Now you can see that you have a streak freeze. So with streak freeze you won't be able to lose your streak no matter how much you don't complete your daily lessons. For that you must have infinite streak freeze. So in this way, you would successfully be able to use streak freeze in Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.